and welcome back. You're now subscribed to Jashan's Vegan Kitchen, and I'm Shane, your host. And on this segment, I like to just talk about the foods that I like to eat. So today I'm bringing to you another one of my dishes, my vegan dishes. This is breakfast for me, something that I really like to do from time to time. I'm presenting this to you as a rolling slideshow, but if you would like to get this recipe or see me make this recipe, just comment below, and I'll get round to doing this as an actual video on how to prepare this meal. So what you see before you is French toast. It's vegan French toast that I've marinated in some black peppers, a pinch of salt, and some milk, oat milk preferably, and I've just lightly pan fried it with a little bit of oil in the pan. And you can also see I have some scrambled tofu. It's not egg, it's tofu, and within tofu I have put onions, spring onions, cherry tomatoes, stuff like that, and then I've just seasoned it with black pepper and salt. And you can also see I've got a raisin bagel with my own vegan made cheese spread, and I've done that with a baguette roll, so I've covered it with some cucumber. So next you have my oatmeal cereal. So this is something my wife likes to eat a lot. So this is just basically royal oats, made together with oat milk or any form of nut milk, and with a few slices of strawberries and some black grapes for sweetness. And this is a lovely dish, I like this. It's a great one for you to eat just before you go to train or something like that. If you want some carbs and you want some slow burning carbs, this is a good way to go. So yeah, this is what I eat. Remember to like, share and follow. This is my vegan breakfast, and it's very simple to make, and it's done within a matter of minutes. I could quite easily just eat this as a meal for my whole day, and it would just fuel me. So remember to like, subscribe, share and follow, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this. Leave me a comment, drop me a DM, let me know what you'd like to see more of, and I will endeavour to oblige. You're now watching Jashan Vegan Kitchen. I'm Shane, your host. Thank you for watching, and speak to you next time. Bye for now.